Today, I got an error that said can't play video while playing a video in Google Photos. So I did some digging to find out how I could play it. And in this video, I will cover the two ways. The first is simple, but we will play the video in a different app. The second method is a bit complicated, but we will play the video in Google Photos. Now, the first step is to locate the file location. This will help us later on. You can go to Google Photos and tap on this icon, or go to Files, search for the file name, play the video, and tap on this icon to see the file location. My video is in the Downloads folder. Now we want to install a different app that can play the video. I'll go to Play Store and search for VLC. VLC is a video player that supports a vast number of codecs, so most likely it will play it. Once it's installed, you need to set it up. Just tap on the next button a few times. The main interface of VLC shows videos, but as we know the file location, we'll tap on this browse button and go to the file location. Let's go to Downloads. We can see the video here. Tap on it, tap on those buttons to close this first time guide and see the video in action. Now, if you don't want to play in VLC, we need to understand why Photos can't play your video. In my case, the video was in 4K, which made Photos give me this error. I converted the video in Android to 1080 pixels, which fixed the issue. Let me show you how I did that. I downloaded this converter. The link is in the description. Next, I added the video and then changed the resolution to 1080 pixels. It took a while to convert, but once converted, the video was ready to be played in Google Photos. Perhaps you can try that and see if it fixes. You can try changing the video format and see if that works, but I believe that MP4 is your best bet. If your converted video is playable in Google Photos, click the thumbs up button and enjoy watching your video. Thanks very much for watching. I'll catch you later. Until then, take care.